Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a propane torch, and from the looks of what I have sitting here on my studio desk, I have a bunch of different propane torch tanks, different sizes that you can use with this. So it makes it very, I guess, user friendly. Adaptability is fantastic on it. So let's open up, see what we get inside. So pretty straightforward. So you're going to get two different types of connections. So this first connection, get my handy dandy Leatherman out here and cut this zip tie off. So, so you have this generously long. Let me see exactly how long this is. So I got a wingspan of about 6 foot. So you got 6 foot and then some. So it's probably about a 10-foot hose. So easily you can hook it onto your propane tank. And remember that the propane tanks have a left-hand thread on it. So you're basically turning it left, and then that will make a nice connection there. And then you can connect towards that end. So you have a whole supply tank full. And then you have these torches, the other pieces to this. Also, you have a little adapter in here, a couple spare O-rings. So this kit has a lot with it, very versatile. So what you are doing is you're basically disconnecting this end, little thread protector. This end you pull off. And then basically you are inserting this here. And this is going to be used to use the smaller tanks. And you got to kind of push it a little bit to get thread started. There we go. Okay, so, and then this is where you would connect some of your like smaller tanks. That just screws right in to the bottom. I think I have enough propane in here to get it started. So then you have your on-off switch here. And then you have your igniter. And then you got your torch going pretty good. And then to turn it off, basically just cut the gas and that's off. So I love the fact you can use that type. You can use your yellow, the MAPP gas tanks on here as well. Easier if I get this thread protector off with two hands. Okay, so that comes off. That tank's a little dusty. I haven't used this one in a while. Yeah, we'll just connect this. Get these threads started. That is your MAPP tank. Same thing. Turns on. A nice little flame going. Turn it off. Goes off instantly. And then the tank I'm probably going to use most on this is probably, get this thread protector on that one real quick. Probably these, I guess they're the camping size tanks they can use on this. Again, we'll just put that one there. Get that same thing started. Again, open quick, turn it on. There we go. Nice and easy and off. I'll probably keep this on and demonstrate what we use it for outside. So, and then this adapter is what you will put on that, and then obviously you can see that's the same size. That will hook on to the bottom of that, so you can hook your propane tank up to it as well. Anyway, let's go outside, test it out in some weeds, and we go from there. So stay tuned. Okay, so Let me see. Let's turn on the gas. Try to do this one-handed. Then we'll hit the igniter. And then right away, you can see how it just burns right through any of that weeds and stuff you have in there. Your rocks get clear in no time. Like I said, it doesn't take much. You just got to kind of like get down to the base. Now we'll just kind of clear that out for you. Any type of weed just gets burned down and super quick. So yeah, it was a great job. But anyway, Brian from Garden Hall, thanks for watching and be safe out there.